To cite a web page with an author, we will begin with the author's name. We will provide the author's last name, followed by a comma, and then give the author's first initial. We will conclude this section with a period. If you have two authors, your citation will look like this. After the first author's name, we will provide a comma, an ampersand, and then give the second author's name. Please note that this name is also given as last name, first initial. If your article has 3 or more authors, you will repeat this pattern. If an article you are citing has more than 19 authors, you will provide the first 19 authors and then insert an ellipsis, 3 periods, before giving the last author's name. It is important to note that for more than 19 authors, you do not include an ampersand before the last author's name. Once we have provided all the author information, we will then provide the publication date for the web page. We will first insert an opening parentheses. Then, if we have the exact date, we will present the year of publication followed by a comma. We will then provide the month and the day that the web page was published. All of this should be within parentheses and followed by a period. However, it is often difficult to find the exact publication date for a web page. Provide what information you have. If you only have the year and month, provide that, as is shown here. If you only have the year, provide that information. If no date is provided, include the lowercase letters n and d followed by periods within parentheses. This is an abbreviation for no date. After providing the publication date for the web page, we will then provide the title of the web page. We will give the title of the web page in italics. Within the title of the web page, there are only 3 words that we capitalize: the first word of the title, the first word of any subtitle, and any proper nouns. Everything else is lowercase. We then end the web page title section with a period. The next piece of information that needs to be included is the website title. The website title is capitalized normally. We will capitalize all nouns, pronouns, adjective, adverbs, and verbs. We will then follow the website title with a period. Finally, we will provide the retrieval information for the web page. Since online content can be changed, we must provide references to when and where we retrieved this article. We will begin by typing the word retrieved. We will then provide the month, day, and year that we accessed the web page. Be sure to punctuate this date appropriately, as is shown here. We will then type the word from and give the URL address where the article is from. We will then end the citation with a period. By providing this set of information in this order, we make it easy for a reader to find and validate the information that we are providing from web pages.